do you get around town? With the huge influx of electric vehicles flooding the micro-mobility market, sometimes it can get a bit hard to choose how to ride. But that's why you clicked here. I'm Richard with Ride.Tech, and I'm here to narrow your search. It's another cold one here in Atlanta, but I've got a hot ride that you have just got to see. Introducing the CSC City Slicker electric motorcycle. Stocked with 12-inch tires and a responsive suspension, the City Slicker comes with everything you'd expect from an in-town motorcycle. Everything except the gas station fill-ups. No gas, definitely not a problem. You gotta love new tech, especially when it helps you save cash. It's a fully electric mode of transportation that's perfect for commuting, and it's pretty fun to whip around. A 30-amp lithium-ion battery keeps the motorcycle running effortlessly, and you can charge it fully within 6 to 8 hours. Get moving with speeds topping 46 miles an hour and a max load capacity of 330 pounds. A roadworthy motor like the City Slicker touts all the necessary gadgetry that you would desire. Things like LED turn signals, a headlight with high beam and flash capabilities, and of course, keyed ignition. Mode selector to toggle between power and eco mode. And as with all electric vehicles, its range depends on how hard you rail it. A leisurely ride around town at 20 miles an hour will get you a range of about 62 miles. And cruising at 37 miles an hour will get you 37 miles of range. But you can always monitor your City Slicker stats by just glancing at the dash. The dash includes a speedometer, odometer, trip odometer, and battery gauge. The City Slicker boasts regenerative braking. And unlike many mobility solutions out there, the City Slicker includes reverse drive for quick maneuvering out of those sketchy situations.
My name's Carson. I've been riding this bike for about 4 months. Really love it. I ride this bike to school every day from my house to Georgia Tech University. I love how quiet it is. Riding to campus, I park it right outside my classroom building, walk right in. Some of my favorite things about it are how lightweight it is. When I bring it home at night, I can pop it up on my front porch, lock it up, safe and sound. Also, I'm a big greenie, so having an electric vehicle that's affordable for me is just the perfect thing. For me, it's all around best purchase.
But what do you think? Drop us a line in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to Ride.Tech.